Okay, so we're gonna hop right into this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is measure 2 inches from the bottom of the cap. That is where the frontal is going to sit, because we are doing a glueless method. We want this frontal to be as flat as possible, and we want it to fit. So I'm just pinning the ends of the frontals to get ready to sew. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the bottom flaps are pulled back a little bit so they hang above your earlobe, and you'll see what I'm doing in a second. So you see, you want to pull that back a little bit so it can fit your head properly and fit over your ear lobes properly. And you are just going to sew like normal. This is how it looks, perfect. And it's going to fit your head perfectly. Okay, so now what you are going to do is, like every other crochet tutorial, put the lock through the hole and pull it through. Super easy and self-explanatory. But what I will say is, do not make the mistake of going through multiple holes, because you only need to go through one diamond. And also make sure you are putting the locks at least 2 finger widths apart, because that is going to ensure that the hair is not like this bulky. You don't need this much hair when you are doing, especially with this look, because the locks are so big, but you don't have to go in every hole. And I think that's the mistake that we make when we are doing crochet styles on a cap. So what you're going to do here is just separate your frontal into the designs that you want. I'm just doing basic squares. So you're just going to separate it. If you want it to be perfect, use a comb. And then I'm just going to take the rubber band and tie the hair up and braid it to get ready for the individual crochet locks in the front. So just put the rubber band on there and braid it, and that is it. Okay, so for the frontal part, you've already separated them with the rubber band and braided it down, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to stick the crochet needle through the middle. You're going to grab the loop. You're going to grab the loop, close it, and pull it in, right? Now, because they have this thread on here, you're not going to be able to pull it that far. Open the loop, put the hair in, and pull it through. Try to pull it as tight as you can. All right. So with these bigger locks, this part is easier. So you're going to take the needle, put it through the lock. You're going to do small sections at a time. Grab the hair, pull it through. And you're going to keep doing that keep pulling it through. The locks with the yarn are a little bit easier to pull through. And that is it. So we're gonna do it again for this one. So what I try to do is when I'm pulling that loop through, I pull it through in front. So that way it tries to cover the rubber band, as you can see. Now you still have that little loop in there, and you can cover that up with Marley hair if you really want to, but it just kind of depends on, you know, what kind of style you're going for. This is when I say you want to do small sections. And I kind of split that in two and curl it like that so it can have different kind of ends. Now I did use a frontal that was like a mix of brown and blonde, so when I see stuff like this, I just take the nail glue, put it on there, and just kind of cover it like that. And try to hide it a little bit. Alright y'all, so let's put it on. Okay guys, so this is actually my braiding pattern because I am doing the Shea Bae challenge. So that's one of the reasons why I am doing these faux lock protective styles, because I don't want to have to wear a stocking cap, because I feel like wearing a stocking cap might just draw out like the moisture in my hair, and I want my hair to still be as moisturized as possible. So guys, this is how the wig looks. I think it looks pretty good. This is the old frontal that I just used because I wasn't wearing the wig no more. So recycle. And guys, make sure you use these premium wig caps when you are doing a frontal or closure crochet wig, because if you use something like this, it ain't gonna work. It's gonna rip and everything like that. So ooh, I look like one of them characters in a movie. So that's the biggest thing, you know, when you are doing crochet, you have to make sure that you're not putting way too much hair, you know, on the wig, because you have all those, you know, holes, and you think that you have to fill them and you don't. You try to keep them at least 2 finger widths apart. So I will say that the wig fits great. So as you can see, the wig fits. It's custom to my head. These are the 12-inch Bae Locs. And let me show you guys. So if I wear them down, I'll most likely wear them like this. And then that way, you see that parting right there? I'll put some. Oh, okay. That's cute. Oh, I gotta fix that too. So if I was to wear them down, I would definitely have to like have a clip right here, but let me turn around. I use 6 packs, but honestly, if you are doing it on a wig, you probably only need 5.
I'm doing a Royal Canin. Royal Canin is like dog food and cat food. So I'm like going to Petco, PetSmart, and stuff like that.
Oh.
And they only got it set up on the weekend, so.
Alright, y'all, so I'm just putting some edge control, you know, on the little baby hairs that I have out and blending it with my real hair. The little bit of real hair that's out as well. Alright, so I do like it better like this. Like in this little updo. Let me know what you guys think if you're thinking about getting the Bae Locs. I will say that they, you know, they look a little different from what I am used to wearing, but I think that they're pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. It's very different. I will say that it's very different, but I wanted to try something different. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are gonna buy these. Like I said, if you are doing the wig, you probably only need about 5 packs. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop a video. And also, if you love lashes, hair extensions, and everything beauty, make sure you check out my website, shopvividrose.com. I have a special coupon code for all my YouTube viewers right here. And for my boss babes out there, if you want to make your side income your full-time income, go ahead and check out my second channel where I talk about different ways to make money online and offline. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon.